Good morning to you, Mike.
This is the weather that gets everybody sick. So the saying goes, you have the warm sunshine one afternoon, the really cold weather the next. So you kind of have to dress appropriately. And it's tough because you start out in the morning getting really chilly and then you're warm and 70 by the afternoon. So, yes, there are some big changes ahead in just a matter of hours each and every day. And it goes back and forth, flipping every few hours. So, with this afternoon featuring very gusty winds, hence the purple showing the small craft advisory through tomorrow morning. That minty green there in Ocean County is a coastal flood warning, but again, that should go away by this afternoon. We'll pick up about another half inch of rain between the residual showers that are falling now and the other round of rain that comes in for tomorrow night into Wednesday morning. Right now, we had some showers that came through earlier this morning, those giving us another quick round of rain right there through northern New Jersey with some big showers. And now through the rest of the day, featuring a mix of clouds and sun and temperatures in the 60s. Well, there will be a little bit of gusty winds throughout the afternoon. Probably not as windy as yesterday, but still, you might feel it, especially this afternoon into this evening, gusts up to about 30 miles per hour. So here's that line of showers that were pounding northern New Jersey, Ken was talking about. Happened around 3 a.m., and you can see pretty discreet here, showing up in red and orange, moving across 80, 78 into 287, and then right there through northern sections of Sussex, Morris County, down through Essex and Middlesex County, working its way eastward, giving a quick hit of rain. But that's pretty much all we'll get. There could be another passing shower this later on this morning, but most of the rain for today has finished as this whole system pivots through, giving us our gusty rains, gusty winds and steady rains throughout the overnight. Now into the afternoon and tomorrow, we'll start to feel a little bit of a temperature drop and humidity drops off as well. It was quite humid yesterday for October standards, and we'll start to see a little bit reduction in that humidity going into tomorrow and especially by Wednesday and Thursday, because that's where the chill returns across New Jersey, making it feel nice and cool throughout the early morning into Thursday. Then we fast forward to the weekend, and while Friday is dry, Saturday has some clouds return, and I think the overcast skies on Saturday lead to a little bit of some rain by Sunday afternoon. And this rain was always in the forecast. It's now just moved up a little bit into Sunday afternoon as opposed to being on Monday. And there's a color we haven't seen in a while, the shades of blue. This is a little bit of snow that will fall just off to our north, maybe in the highest elevations of New Jersey, more than a week from now, Tuesday into Wednesday. Some really chilly weather comes in just in time for the last few days of October, kind of getting us in that fall mode. So for this weekend, I think it's our last mild weekend. We'll be in the 60s, and that is seasonably average because by next weekend, it gets really chilly. Talking mornings in the 30s, afternoons only in the 50s. Some cool weather, crisp fall weather ahead as we head into the next few days, Ken.